We'll go for the topic art education. Education? Education through arts is the right answer. So, education through arts. You are educating what? You are educating? You are educating? You are educating students, maybe maths or physics or chemistry or Tamil or English or whatever. Those subjects using arts. It is not teaching the art, it is teaching whatever subjects. Teaching whatever subject using any art forms. What are the art forms? Posters, images, drawings, dances, music, collage. So all those things. So you can use any art form, you can use any form and teach the subject. So that's what it was given importance to us, and also they are having in 2 semesters. And we have to understand the importance because we don't have the same thing repeated again in any elsewhere semester. So you read childhood, but that will be in this semester alone, not in any other semester. But art education you read in first. Also you read in 3. Maybe the importance is the teachers should use the resources, whatever resources. Those resources you have to use in classroom, in any of the forms. So maybe a drawings, maybe collage, maybe drama, or maybe your words, your communication. So all those things you use it and make your subject easy for the better understanding of students. So that's what art education means. So today I will show you few art forms and try to learn how these images tell a story to us. Okay. So are we ready? Okay. See the image, and can you say the words what that image tells? What are the words you can see?
Everyone start the journey, but those who maintain the consistency, they only reach the
like that. That's good. Everyone starts the journey, but all may not end. All may not end in the final path. Okay. So this is the starting. Many people starts the journey, or you can take some IAS examination. IAS examination cleared by very few people across India, and they will be here. So from here to here, so the one who is working consistently, the one who is undergoing all those turmoil, or one those who burn the midnight oil, so they only will go to the top. Others will be somewhere left here only. Okay. So that's what the image tells. So these may be the appropriate ways for each stage of the image. So the person who here may criticize, the person who do it late, who do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or 2 weeks later, the persons who generate ideas and those who plan and the final step take action. Right. So what goes on this image? So we have to think, we have to go to that background, and we have to analyze many probabilistic answer. One may be correct out of many probability.
person is talking to someone who cannot listen to someone.
Person is talking to someone who cannot listen.
Peak loneliness.
Huh?
Peak loneliness.
Be loneliness.
Peak loneliness.
Peak loneliness. Wait. One second.
He's talking his life problems that the society faces.
He is talking life problems to
To a person who is not alive, that the society faces.
who is not alive. He is telling about life problems to a person who is not alive. Any other?
No one is have time to listen to one.
No one is.
Have time to listen to any other.
So no one is having time. No one is listening to him. Therefore, he is talking to this fellow. So one thing we have to understand that anyway, that person is talking to a statue. So this person is talking to a statue. Who can talk to a statue? At what time or at what position?
People can. So
Huh?
he didn't have someone to talk.
Mentally unstable. That's one of the probable answer. Mentally unstable. Mentally unstable persons can talk. Madan? Suppressed? Suppressed people. Okay. Huh? Yours is the right answer. So this person drank. He drank. When someone drinks alcohol, what happens? Don't say that. So they will lose self-control. They will lose the self-control. So cognitive this polarity will be there. We will not be able to do our normal work. So therefore, due to that, he is talking. So the alcohol does everything. That's what they say. So if someone is lying, no, they will say give him alcohol. If they take alcohol, they may say the truth. That's what they say. Okay, right? So since he drank, he lost his self-control. Lost his the other good word is self-awareness. He lost his self-awareness. Therefore, he is talking. That's all. So many things it convey, and many things we were discussing. That's what the small image does. So a small image made us to talk. Almost some 10 people talk. Small image. I have not thought anything. I have not thought anything, but only the image was there. It was in the projection. So you are thinking yourself, and you analyze it. You go for the different probability answer, and maybe one or two will be correct. So what you look? Half filled glass. Then, huh? Vodka. What he drinks. Any other answer? Huh? Water? So this is given for a positive kind of thinking. We have the word optimism. What is optimism? Thinking positively. We should think at least we got a half filled glass. At least. We should not think in a pessimistic way. Opposite is pessimism. Just only half I got. We should not think. At least this we got. What kind of word we can say for this? One or two words? Teamwork is the right answer. So now, what's your answer? Everyone is different. Everyone is different. But which one we can take? Everyone is different, but which one we can take? Okay, there are three persons. Three persons shows different emotions. You can see the middle one. What does the middle one does? He enjoys. Therefore, we have to enjoy whatever it comes. Whatever comes in life, we have to enjoy. We should not be like first person. We should not be like the third person. We should be like the middleman. So life, in our life, whatever may come. So it's an unpredictable. Tomorrow what may come, day after tomorrow, whatever may come. So for all those things, so we have to get along with that. We have to enjoy with that. This also conveys. This image conveys hard work, smart work. What smart is there? What smartness is there?
She tried, she started.
She tried, she learned. Okay, I think no smartness is not there. Any other answer? Hmm?
Progress.
Progress. Just think little bit more. Some meaning this conveys. It conveys some meaning. And many a times we does this. Many times we does this, but we should not do this. Still, your brain is working. Huh? If you see the answer will be easy only, but we have to get it.
Leaving the hard things and taking them.
Leaving the hard ones. So we have to leave the past. We should live in the present. The future will come in anyway. So many a time what we do, we will live in the yesterday's work. So that day I have done like this, that day I did like this. So this is what many a times few people will be doing this, living in the past. So past has happened. So we have to plan for the future, but anyway we have to work in the present to go to the future. So this is that message. Same person in two photographs. One smile is the original smile. Which is the original smile? Eh? Who said first? Last. Why first? You have to see that?
That seems not possible. And the second photo, these areas
most powerful and the downside of eye, the muscles are like coming down. So the second one is not so.
Your answer is right, reason is right. So first photo is real smile. Second photo is not real smile. You have to see this way. So this one, the convolutions are real here. Here the convolutions are not real. So sometimes we sleep, we smile, but because to somebody is there, we have to smile. We are smiling, not a real smile. The real smile comes from the heart. So this is coming from the heart. That is not coming from the heart. Okay. So you can see the muscles. Okay, here the muscles are strained. You can see these muscles are strained. So that is not a real smile. So many things the art education tells. In olden days, that's how our elders 400, 500, 600 years before they do this in the temples, in the churches, in the mosque. So they do this in those things. So you see all those things, and so because they don't have anything now, we have digital, but those times they don't have anything. So they draw on the temples, they draw on the mosque, they draw over the churches, so that the generations of their generations they learn many things. So we should not live in the past. We should the previous image I am talking. So those things are said by the elders. The way they convey. Ellora caves. Now beggar has come. There are three beggars. Who begs real? Out of three fellows, who is begging real? Cat, huh?
Who are making online?
Yes, answer. Huh? Cat.
For the cat already.
Human and dog are begging for their life.
Cat already.
Huh? Not died. Cat not died. It is also begging, not died. Any answer? Any different answer? So cat is doing overacts. So the best one is the middle one. So the middle one is the normal one, natural. So it's a begging. So even for begging, we should not go for overacts. So the Gen Z students, we are connected. We are connected, but we are so far. They are standing very near, but they are so far. They are connected to the net, but not through the minds. So near, so far. So same thing. So we have maybe digital connection, but not social connection. Or more time is spent on screen. So far we have seen many art form. So but I have in digital one so that I can teach easily. So what we have learned today is this one. What is this one? Visual thinking strategy. This is our first unit, visual thinking strategy. So developed by these two persons on the image. If I am not able to pronounce their names, you have to pronounce their names. You can pronounce. Abigail Hausen, Philip Enawina. So those two are from US. So they have this strategy, visual thing. So many people told, but they have their own school. They have their own websites. And when you land there, you can have programs on visual thinking. So Abigail Hausen, Philip Enawine. So these are those. You can see the URL. What is that URL? vtshome.org/founders/. What is that VTS? Visual Thinking Strategy. The same is the name of the URL. So this is one of the founder. And this is another folder which is on the same page. So these are the steps. So we have steps. So there are 4 steps in visual thinking strategy. Step number 1, silent observe. You have to observe the visual image, whatever form it, maybe collage, maybe drawing, maybe photo, whatever is shown to you. Silent observation. Then second step, you have to go for the inquiry. How this has come. So what they want to convey. What is that we are getting from that image? Inquiry. And third one, data gathering. So you have to connect the data. You have to get the data, connect with your figure, connect with your drawings or the paintings, whatever. And finally, you verify whatever you are going to say. You verify. So these are the 4 steps for visual thinking strategy: silent observation, inquiry, data gathering, and verification. So I will also show you from our. So far, I didn't show direct from any subject. Anyway, those things maybe are psychological because I am from that area. But you can see all subjects, whatever maybe you can teach through art form. So this is one of them. You can go to the question. You can also answer the choices. Answer from the choices. If the gear X turns clockwise at a constant speed of 10 rotation per minute, how does gear Y turn and what is its speed? So you share option first, then we will discuss. Option 4. D option. B. So can you come and explain your answer? Option D is right, so he will be explaining how this has come.
This one is rotating in clockwise direction. As this will go anti-clockwise.
Correct. So you rotate this one, then you have to rotate like this.
If this is rotating like this, this will rotate like this.
Correct.
And if it's rotating in anti-clockwise, this will rotate in
Clockwise, right.
And go anti-clockwise. And
So one is solved. Okay, next.
And here it's given that eight storms clockwise at a constant speed of 10 rpm.
Ah.
So it's more. And that's why this one is also going 10 rpm.
10. This is also 10, this is also 10.
And
Okay.
it's bigger.
Yeah.
So
How do you get that 5? You count it. You count this one. This you count. 20. If that rotates 2 times, if this rotates 2 times, this will be rotating 1 time. Therefore, if those are 10 times means 5 times. Thank you. So this is a one who understands physics. So you have learned, that's why you are saying. So one who understands the gear system. This is gears from physics. Simple machines. So this is from simple machines. So you can go diagrammatic way. Just put the question. It can be also used for teaching purpose. It can be also used for fill in the blanks. This can be also used for teaching purpose. This can be also used for one word testing purpose. You can also use for teaching and testing. This is testing. So this is a multiple choice question. Therefore, this test your. Since I have shown many other examples, not from a subject like physics, this is example from physics. So I have taken images from Google. That's why that is my reference.